Okay, my people, now welcome back. Please, now still I the red. Don't forget, say if you want to send us that story, maybe that video, or if you get the link, just send and give us for I the red at wazobiatv.tv. And also, if you still track us in case you don't get where or motor number today your area or transport costs, track us at I the red, and we is here to following you back. Yes, we'll enter the matter straight off. Tori of Waward.
Yes, Tori of Waward. Now the Tori that was seriously spoken. And this story where also, if you say yeah, I go say this story, you ugly die. You know when politicians want campaign for election, you need to do every possibility to get canvas. So this very what will happen now. They say Denmark politician post naked for election poster. All in the name of say one win election. But yeah, the Tori. Now man no.
No,
yeah, the story that will come to us like a man
for good. Can I waste my vote for such?
No.
Denmark politician don't post naked for election campaign posters. One politician named John Erik Wagner from Denmark don't carry naked body take picture put for an election poster. Everybody shocked, including his supporters. But they no get choice because he carry the posters go poster for every area for Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark. And this politician now 52 years old. He talk say for his own manifesto, he go ensure say all employees where they work 6 months go they entitled to 6 months holiday.
I have a problem. I have a problem.
And they say the politicians say as no be woman say you no go win. And I don't forget say you get people be saying that men nakedness now they like to see. Yes, because you get women we be say go if the guy they very highly endowed, you know how many votes you go get from women.
Lucky shite. Seriously, the guy na fine guy.
Nah, 52 years old man, so no matter it be, no matter how far reach 52 years age go tell on.
No, forget all this one that they talk. When somebody like Genevieve na naked poster, say I go vote her as president of America from Nigeria. What I would say, if you want to naked be, let it be an enticing nakedness. No. I can a 52-year-old man. What do you have to offer?
Maybe if na the days of Adam, we fit to say maybe the man want bring back Adam.
In fact, what they should do, our Nigerian people, when they put law, so that we know people they hide their age. People will be 100 and something, we say they be 70 something. Everybody naked, snap picture. So that we see all the vein they don't lie in space.
That will not be a pleasant sight too.
Guys, you know what happened? When I hear this story.
Just imagine OBJ now for poster.
Jesus.
You know, when I hear this story of this man naked for poster, I can't think, sorry, you know our president, our governor now. But they know say snap different picture of a poster. I can't imagine and say, supposing I'm building now, that one when do a boat. I go be.
Yes, I was a boat twice. It go be 3 or a boat.
When would they talk
of to naked for that area?
Shaggy, when would they talk of the leader of war? On a here politician with naked, and that's not the highest story on the key on a scatter on the brain. Make I give one gist of the one I will not say Tori. Iri sote the Tori Kevin budget. This one all the way for UK. Now they arrest one woman. I know why they arrest the woman. They say early momo where the woman they crank, aka Kerewawa. Say her noise during the cranking. The noise too much. Now they arrest police. I don't know whether or not their business or not, but we will hear the story first. They will come back.
Serious issue.
Read the eye.
Them jail one woman because she dey make loud noise as she dey have sex for 5 a.m. in the morning. One woman wey her name be Gemma Wally, 23 years old, don go jail sake of say she make loud noise for good 10 minutes as she dey do kerewa for early momo 5 a.m. The court for Birmingham City Council take legal action after her neighbor Gazala Bibi, 40 years old, complain about loud sex noise wey comot from Gemma house. Bibi talk say Gemma start to scream and dey shout, "Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah." As she dey do the kerewa dey go, na so she dey hear the sound dey comot for her house. Sotey she come make all neighbors wake up from their sleep. Court now don order Gemma to serve 2 weeks behind bars for breaching antisocial behavior order.
Nonsense court is that? Which kind of court What with that?
When Tori Wawa, this one, you Wawa.
No. I am not going to be a part of this. That's a nonsense story.
Shakara, why is he saying now they bring this guy's story all the time?
No, when
Why be saying we're not
How much you going to do something they make her they sweep, Bella they sweep, they're going to put her for prison.
Allow the woman.
Why would I not allow her?
See,
For what?
Ma, I tell you, that is very wrong.
For what?
It's supposed to be controlled. It depends. You have neighbors. Is there anything wrong with doing just like Igbo girls? They make like Igbo girls. No matter the money what you give them, they cannot make noise past the 10,000 what you give. I say, simple.
And meanwhile, if you are Igbo girls, those ones, no matter how much you give them, they shout. They are on
John.
But na Benin girls, only 2 weeks you go jail. Now 1 year because Benin girl noise they go go first, they go jail and double. Oh,
ó ṣe bá mi ọmọ ẹbí yẹn ó ṣe bá mi gbogbo ọdún bá mi ó débẹ̀.
ìdọ́yẹ ìjọ ẹni ẹ dọ́lọ́dọ́lọ́ tó ayé dọ́lọ́dọ́lọ́ tó ayé.
But out of jealousy, now let that woman go report this woman now.
Yes, now maybe I don't know.
But look at me, all those police, if na Nigeria they go arrest Taya. He transfer people when they Ajegule. Transfer the enter that area for the country.
My own say, I get feeling
they go arrest
that
Taya.
you no get location, no matter where
I get
you no get location. Any area.
I get feeling say the Lord, the judge will.
I heard they tell you now.
I get feeling say the judge will sentence that woman a man. So he go probably say they put her in a private prison where she can get visitors. I want to further interrogate her.
We'll lock her up. You know that kind of thing happen. You know say you get one woman we give one doctor AIDS. The girl, the lady go meet doctor say I won't do test. The doctor say I will do it for you free, but just cooperate. The woman cooperate. Wow. He do. He can't realize. He can't test. Can't realize. Say girl, now go lock the girl up. When he reach police station, he said DPO lock this woman up. DPO say what did she do? Doctor no talk. Doctor go. DPO say I can release you for free. Just cooperate. DPO collect. When the man come the following day, call their hand. Doctor, what he say? Say this guy give me AIDS. Yeah. Now the two of them come to cry.
The DPO, Sergeant, lock this letter up.
Sergeant said,
Hey, why will you bring somebody without laying complaint?
Lucky child. I dey imagine that thing now. You know, say that they jail that woman now. Say because of too much noise. Imagine say the woman they can release and come back. Then if they do that kind of thing, they crank again as they crank. If you want shout, you go see police they walk up past the area. It's a child. You go.
No, come for investigation on our matter.
Something happen. Only why you stop like say police they pass. Maintain your voice.
I be freedom of speech there UK.
James,
I be freedom of speech there UK.
Now for our side,
the way they ask me so, like say no, you come from Nigeria, but that's freedom of speech.
I be freedom of speech there.
If I dey travel where I go, I mean like their law book. I don't read like Nigeria law. Even lawyer, if you give a case, they see they read the law. To know where they want to defend you from. Now come me when they read law.
Let me tell you, freedom of speech, there was no freedom of sound.
Police, nowhere they know what take this. Nowhere they know what take law. Sometimes, imagine now they can't carry the matter into India. Like say, now the pigeon when spy.
You like say they no fit solve the problem.
No, you get one pigeon when they spy. You get one pigeon when they spy for them. So they pursue the pigeon, they not finish. Then the pigeon run enter India. As he run enter India, he can't go spy on that family again. And the police they arrest the pigeon.
So the pigeon.
More hear the story. More hear the story.
Police don arrest pigeon for India say na spy. Indian authority don arrest one pigeon bird say na spy be from Pakistani government. The bird bin land on top one Baba house 4 kilometers away from the border wey dey between India and Pakistan. The Baba pikin wey see the pigeon come carry the pigeon go give police because he see message for the pigeon body wey dey write Tehsil Shakaga, District Narwal. Well, now God know the meaning o. With some numbers on top. Police come carry the bird go veterinary hospital for inspection. X-ray no see anything for the bird body, but police come say they go detain the pigeon until they get more information. Then list the pigeon put for police record as suspected spy.
You say I'm
Wonders and another story.
say police arrest PG, say spy.
They
You
come
know
write
that
for
spy-
book say under suspected spy. So that means even bed now get
If
level.
na that one they go arrest many Okpukpuru for this Nigeria. And how many Okpukpuru?
Where we say even all those native fowl,
Those
when
are
you
the
go jump
colour-
for top of your roof, shake body.
If you not know where they
You
call
be careful.
Okpukpuru na bat to all those wish for night.
You get it?
But
I don't hear for one goat where they put soup down on top fire, chop this soup for inside pot.
They arrest one.
For Osun State, I mean Osogbo.
eh,
Soup with the fire. Goat go kind of corner. I take the kind of corner, nobody know.
The way things
go be
stay
with him
hard,
out now.
the way things stay hard for some family. Goat must go hustle you.
this one reminds me
Say
my
na-
former area when I dey stay. One man a goat. No say some goat they come climb on top of motor they play. They play. They don't too destroy the man. Every time the man go start the motor in the morning, they regret start. Either I go get one complaint or the other. And then the man vex when they pursue this goat. Pursue the enter one street for Gambia Street. As he pursue the enter, as he run 3 goat to, as he pursue the enter. As he enter the corner, now you see 3 guys come outside. They beat this man, eh? They beat this man. The next day, the man at the hospital. And the man called the advice people. Goat. Mona fear them more.
Anywhere you see goats, them I go. You better leave them alone.
Leave
If
them
the
alone.
goats,
This
they
guy
can't
don't
play
say-
game.
you don't-
If the goats, they can't play like this on top of the
I
motor.
think I said that old people are the follow up.
Now human being like the position.
This story touched me.
But
Can we go with this song, please?
Okay, what to go?
Anywhere you see goats, them I go. Leave them alone.
Leave them alone.
Jarata fried rice. What could not forget say? Shaggy birthday, we want to do happy birthday to him. So we get where we do am for worry. Normally we go say happy birthday to you. This time Wazobia TV, I will do our own in the local flavor. Hey, happy birthday.
Hey, happy
Ibabo. Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday. Hey, say what?
Yeah.
Hey, happy birthday.
This one na the
happy
one.
birthday. Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pa Shaggy.
Happy birthday.
Maybe good luck.
We don't talk about Denmark politician when they get proposal. We don't talk about a woman when in jail for making too much noise. And also we talk about PG when they arrest for India send a spy. So from we, Sakara, Lucky Shine, Shaggy and Eleno, we say bye-bye. This is ID Red. Don't forget to follow us.